Welcome to another video. You know what time it is. Actually, don't, because this video is late.
Nerf this!
What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. You know what time it is. Actually, don't, because this video is late. But welcome to the end of the month recap for the month of August. Coming at you a little late, but who cares? Let's get into it. So if you haven't seen my end of the month recap, it's something I've started that's new. I'm gonna hold myself accountable, and hopefully you'll join me and hold yourself accountable as well. So what I do is at the end of each month, I go back and look at 5 different categories and rate myself 1 through 5 on how I did that month. And this is just to try and get better each and every day, each and every week, each and every month, each and every year. So just gotta keep the train going. Number 1, physically, I'm giving myself a 5 for the month of August. I didn't miss one workout. I went to the gym every day I was supposed to, and I ate pretty clean. So I'm giving myself a 5 for my physical well-being in the month of August. Number 2, mentally, I'm gonna give myself a 4, again, because there's always improvement. I sometimes get down on myself. I'm very quick to snap out of it, but each day was a pretty good day, so I'm gonna give myself a 4 there. Socially, I give myself a 3. Definitely not my best month, you know, going out and doing things, but we have slowly started to increase the amount that, and when I say we, Lily and I. Okay, so I had to change up the scenery, but socially, Lily and I are starting to plan more things to do either together or with friends. So giving myself a 3 for the month of August on my social status. Spiritually, I'm gonna give myself a 3. I was good about writing things down. I was great before. I wasn't so good about filling out my power list, so I'm gonna give myself a 3 for that one. And then last but definitely not least, I'm gonna give myself a 5 for financially, because I had the best month in recent memory as far as work is concerned, but even more importantly, I saved a ton of money by switching to Geico. Just kidding. Just banked a bunch, you know, was very frugal with my cash for the most part. So that's it, guys. So if I do the math, 20 divided by 5, so it's an average of 4 for the month. So overall, good month. Not my best. Wasn't perfect, but hey, that gives me something to strive for. I do release videos every Monday to get your week going, every Friday to get your weekend started. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a video. I do release bonus videos at random. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you Friday. Bye.